Hello everyone. 11th question. If A is equal to cos theta minus sin theta cos theta, then A power transpose, A transpose plus A is equal to I minus 2 if. So A transpose will be equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Correct idea? So this is equal to minus A, which implies A transpose plus A will be equal to, so cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. This is A transpose. Innu A cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Alva? So what is the answer? Cos theta plus cos theta is 2 cos theta. Sin theta minus sin theta 0. Minus sin theta plus sin theta 0. Idu 2 cos theta, which is equal to 2 cos theta into I. Alva? And 2 cos theta is into I will be equal to I minus 2. I minus 2 ಅನ್ನ I minus 2I ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ minus I ಅಥವಾ minus 1 ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. So 2 cos theta is equal to minus 1 ಆದ್ರೆ cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. So cos negative is in the second quadrant alva. So theta will be 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. So cos half irodu pi by 3 ಗೆ for all n belongs to z. So idu option C allide. Option C is our answer. Thank you.